SuperAtv winch. It uses these elongated bolt holes, not these ones. Okay, so no matter what I do with these bolts, they're too long. And I have some other bolts that were provided, also too long. So what I'm going to do is, I believe I'm going to take these bolts that, I don't even think these will fit. I don't know, I gotta come up with something. Bolts are too long, you can see. They only go down so far, and this is only so thick, so really nothing I can do to make it shorter. I don't know. Let me look around, see if I can figure something out. Alright, so I read through the directions. They're very, very poor directions. So I think what I'm going to do is use this to take up space. This makes me so mad. You order the shit, it's supposed to freaking fit. And it doesn't. Also, this is broken right there. Right off the bat, broken parts. That's what I saw to make me think that something might be broken in here, and sure shit it is. I don't know that it'll be the end of the world, but one thing broken already. So far I'm not so happy with this whole deal. Alright, so I guess that's it until I get the right bolts. I'm going to have to contact SuperAtv about this. See if they'll send me a new one. I know it's not the end of the world, but it's already broken. It's brand new, so let me get that corrected. Alright, so since I couldn't get the winch hooked up, I figured I might as well get the mount onto the bumper. Tomorrow at some point I will go get new mounting hardware for that. And really, I'm just going to stop there because I think I have to have the winch mounted first. Because once this is on there, I don't think there's going to be enough room. Well, I guess there will be. It's a mess. Alright, so once again I messed up and I wasn't paying attention. These bolts go with the mount right here. Should have known. These bolts that I was trying to put in go with the winch. They're still too long though, so I still have that issue. But as far as getting this hooked up to the front, I can do it. So I put one of the right bolts in. I hope once the winch is on here, it doesn't get too close to this bolt here, but if it does, I will just cut that off. So that's all I'm going to do tonight. Put that bolt in, this bolt in, leave them somewhat loose, and then tomorrow I'll get the right length bolts and put that in. So this may be part one of the winch installation. Pretty poor part one. The directions are very... This is basically the directions right here. They're really rough. So I'll get through it. It's no big deal. We'll figure this out. But so far the bolts don't fit and the relay's cracked. So I've got this mounted in place and there's still a couple issues right off the bat. The bolts that hold the winch on are a half an inch, just about a half an inch too long there. And then the bolts that came with the mount to hold the mount on, I don't know if you can see that right there, too long. It's touching the power connection. So everything about this is just not right so far, and it sucks. So tomorrow I'm going to go get shorter bolts for the winch mount, shorter bolts for the mount the winch to the winch mount, and then at least I'll be able to put that on and it should be good. I guess I only really need one here, but I'm going to get shorter bolts for both. Doesn't make any sense to have them that long. So I'm pretty disappointed at this point. I can't install this bumper. I guess I could still drive it around the neighborhood tomorrow like that, but I don't know. It's just frustrating. You spend good money, $250 to get all the right stuff so I could just bolt this up and put it together, and then I have to go out and buy more stuff because the shit they send is not right. So thanks for watching this video, and comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be back with more tomorrow, I guess. Thanks.